Amazon just made some sweeping changes to what you can and can't do with the bullet points on your product listings on Amazon. And those changes go into effect on August the 15th. So if you don't know what the 24 different guidelines are that tell you what you can and can't do, you definitely need to go in and check your bullet points out today before Amazon goes in and does it for you. Because if they find that you violated any one of the 24 guidelines, then they're either going to remove the offending content or potentially rewrite your bullet points the way that they think your bullet points should look. And if you've ever seen some of the content that Amazon writes when they're updating listings, you probably don't want that to happen. Now, I put together a completely free custom GPT called the Amazing Bullet Point Wizard that'll do this for free for you. There's no cost at all. There's a link below this video, or you can even go look for it for free inside of the custom GPT store. Again, it's called the Amazing Bullet Point Wizard, and all you need to do is either paste in your current bullet points from your product on Amazon, or even take a screenshot and put it there as well. It can read screenshots and extract your bullet points. And then it's going to walk through every bullet point you have and evaluate them to the 24 different guidelines that Amazon just put into place. And it'll tell you exactly what you did or did not do right. And at the very end, if you're lazy like me, it'll even offer to rewrite them completely for you to make sure that you are no longer in violation. So if you haven't reviewed and updated your bullet points, then definitely head on over to the GPT, paste in your current bullet points, and let it go through and do the evaluation of all 24 guidelines for you. And if it finds any problems, let it rewrite them for you as well. Because the last thing you want to have happen is have your bullet points be in violation of Amazon's new rules, have Amazon rewrite them for you, and then have you miss out on any sales. So go check out the custom GPT, let it evaluate for you, make your changes, and then let me know what it found for you. Take care, and I'll see you soon.